Miss Rowe, Miss Hook, Miss History, Miss Rowe? Yeah, English really. Yeah, I used to talk a lot in English. I used to do Welsh up here.
Yeah, that's the new media suite we've just built this year. So
we didn't have computers like that. Yeah, that's what you'd fail your exams in. As soon as that bell went, I knew I was walking home to go train, and that was pretty much all I was interested in. We used to do trampolining in here. Done a talent show once in here.
Yeah. Oh, was that the
talent show?
That's what's saying.
You okay? Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. You right?
Yeah.
Good.
Scary, this is.
No, it's crazy. It's a lot of change, isn't it, since you...
You still don't know?
Yeah, you know, I'm head of house now.
Are you?
Yeah.
I don't think there's anyone behind it.
What am I doing, pulling this?
Yeah, you can pull it from the top there. You can see that.
Could have done with this when I was here. This used to be my form room.
This did?
No.
See that then?
That was my debut in
That was
2007. Yeah. Strange, even stranger, because I didn't know, but this was my old form room, so every morning and afternoon you'd have to come back here and report. Yeah, it's quite surreal, to be honest. Spent so many hours in here. I think it's used to be an old drama room, so you never think it's going to happen. And now just really honoured, really, yeah, massively. You're always taught from a young age that, you know, sort of believe in your ability, and as time goes on, you realise that, you know, you deserve to be there. I think we've got 3 more qualifiers now between now and the end of the season, so to make sure that, you know, when the second group of qualifiers are next season, that we're still in the mix. You know, we had a good result last week in Andorra. We've got two more home games next month, and yeah, I think that's one of the big things in the squad now. Is we've been involved for a while, and you know, we'd love to be the first group of players in sort of 65 years to qualify for a major tournament, and you know, hopefully then that will spark even more, you know, interest and enthusiasm into the sport in Wales, knowing that they can watch us in France in 2016 in the Euros. So yeah, that's one of the biggest aims, being in the Wales setup at the minute, is there's a real belief that you know, we can do it, but we need to make sure that we're still in the mix, you know, next season.